Very simple. Caramelized onions. A basic skill everybody should know how to make. Delicious on so many things.
Bonsoir et bon appétit. So I got a request from one of my subscribers asking me to show him how to make caramelized onions. Super simple to do. It's going to be a short video. It's the basics of cooking. So I'm happy to do that for you. So we're going to take an onion and we're just going to slice it. And I find the easiest way to do that is you take the onion, cut it in half, and then just peel it. Like that. And then like that. And then we're just going to slice it. Now you can use a rocking motion. Make sure you keep your fingers in, away from the blade. Always use a sharp knife and just go across in a smooth way. You can push the knife along or you can push the onion along. In this case, I'm just going to... But you know what? Don't be in a hurry. You know, you see the chefs going quickly. You don't have to do that. Okay, so there's one. Okay, so we're going to take a little bit of butter. We're going to take some olive oil. About a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to melt the butter. And this technique is really simple. You do it this way, it'll turn out right every time. And it's so simple to caramelize your onions. Alright, so I got my heat on a low heat, medium low, and then I'll put it all the way to low. There we go. Beautiful. Now, very simple, drop the onions in. I like to just flatten them out and coat them. There we go. Now get the timer, and what you're going to do is you're going to set it for about 10 minutes. Make sure your heat's on low. Cover it, and leave it alone for 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Let's take a look. What you're going to do now is just going to stir this. And now you see how nice and soft it is. It's starting to already caramelize. At this point, you want to season. Put a little pepper. I'm using coarse pepper. I just like how it sticks to the caramelized onion. And like everybody knows, I love coarse black pepper in my cooking. Alright, let's give that another little stir. Beautiful. Okay, now just fine it up again. And cover for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take a look. Look at these beautiful onions. Now we're just going to give it a stir. Now we're going to, now this is really on your taste now. You can brown it a little bit more, which I will, but you see the beautiful caramelization that's happening. I'm just going to leave it there for another couple minutes, and it'll be ready. Beautiful caramelized onions.
And there's the close-up. Look how beautiful they're turning. I'm going to leave them a couple more minutes, and they will caramelize even more.
So there you have it, caramelized onions. I want to thank my subscriber, Chris, for asking me to do this. I hope this helped you out, Chris, and other people. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If you don't. But anyways, I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was informative. I have it on my channel, a whole section dedicated to basic cooking, and then other dishes I do, of course. Bonsoir, bon appétit.